A big hug and see you in the next recipe. Everyone is cooking Oreo cookies after seeing this brilliant idea. It's amazing. Let's start our recipe by adding 200 Oreo cookies to a frying pan with 300 milliliters of boiling water. Then mix everything very well until it dissolves completely. At this point, we will add 1 cup of sugar. Then add 1 cup of milk. Remember that my cup is 240 milliliters. Once this is done, mix everything very well until it is integrated. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now transfer all this mixture to a bowl. Now, we will add 3 eggs. Then add 80 milliliters of vegetable oil. Once this is done, mix everything very well. And if you are enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below telling us which city or country you are watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now we will add 2 cups of wheat flour. Once this is done, mix everything very well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Want to surprise your family for breakfast? This recipe is a perfect option for you to make, which is a success. Now we are going to add a spoonful of baking powder. Then, mix everything very well again until the yeast is integrated. This is the ideal point. Now add all this dough to a greased and floured pan. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it because the baking time varies from oven to oven. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, we are going to add a 395-gram can of condensed milk. Then, add a cup of powdered milk. Next, add a tablespoon of butter. Once done, mix everything very well until it is integrated. Now, we are going to add 100 grams of cream. Then, mix everything very well again until it starts to thicken. This is the ideal point. Now remove and set aside. Then we are going to unmold our cake that is already baked. And look how perfect it turned out. Now add the syrup here on top that we prepared. And look how wonderful it is. Perfect. And our recipe is ready. You can now take a piece and serve it. And if you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it at that. A big hug and see you in the next recipe.